In this video, I'll show you how to record owner contributions in QuickBooks Online using the new interface, so personal funds added by the owner show up correctly as business money without being treated like sales. Click the New button and choose Bank Deposit because this records money coming into the business bank account cleanly. At the top, select the bank account that actually received the funds, like your checking account, and confirm the deposit date matches when it hit the bank. In the deposit details, use the Received From field to select the owner's name you consistently use, then enter the exact amount from your deposit slip or bank confirmation and add a quick memo like Owner Contribution for clarity. The key accounting piece is the category or account you select for the deposit line. Choose an equity account such as Owner's Contribution, Owner's Investment, naming varies, not income, so your reports stay accurate. Save and close, and the deposit will appear in your bank register and financial statements, and if you use bank feeds, you can match it later to avoid duplicates. Subscribe for more QuickBooks how-tos that keep your books clean and year-end ready.